Today is a historic day. We are going to brew the first beer in the world made with carbon-negative malt. Delirium Tremens, the famous pink elephant beer, will be the first beer brewed with carbon-negative malt. This means that we go below zero. We manage to sequester more CO2 than we emit. And this is unique and has never been done before, worldwide. How do we get to carbon-negative malt? Well, 3 big steps. Everything starts at the field, at the farmers. In Belgium, we have a unique project called Belgomalt Pure Local, where we gather farmers who apply regenerative farming techniques. These farmers do everything to have their CO2 balance of their crop be as low as possible. They manage to grow brewing barley that is carbon negative. This through planting cover crops, this to not plowing and having as much as respect possible for the soil and the environment. This means that the barley coming from the field is already carbon negative. Then it arrives at the malt house. At the malt house we transform barley to malt, which is used to make beer. In this process we need heat. Normally we use fossil fuel to generate this heat. But through a new innovation at Boortmalt, we managed to use waste heat from a neighboring industry and use this to generate the energy we need. This means that in the malting process, we emit 0 kilograms of CO2. And then we have the third and last step, which is transport. This malt needs to go to the Delirium and Huyghe brewery, and we will use an electric truck for that. This truck will emit 0 kilograms of CO2 during transport. This means that Huyghe, Delirium Tremens, will today receive malt that is carbon negative.
Today, as Brewery Huyghe, we are very proud to receive our first truck of CO2 negative malt. Together with the best maltery of the world, Boortmalt, we want to be CO2 negative before 2035. We have the ambition to become the most sustainable brewer of Belgium. So in October, the full production of our beer, Delirium Tremens, and our alcohol-free Delirio will be brewed with CO2 negative malt from Boortmalt.